Problem of one-dimensional wave equation. Question: if del u del t square equal to c square del t u del s square represent the vibration of a string of length a fixed at both ends, find the solution with boundary condition u0 t equal to 0, u8 equal to 0 and initial condition del u del t equal to 0, ux 0 equal to x square, 0 less than x less than. Now solution. So the first we write down equation, one dimensional wave equation, del to u del t square equal to c square del t u del x square. For above boundary condition, your first work, write down the most suitable solution. So now the most suitable solution of one is here, uxt equal to c1 cos lambda x, c2 sin lambda x plus c3 c lambda t plus c4 sin c lambda t is 2. This is the most suitable solution of 1. Now apply the boundary condition u0 t equal to 0. It means putting x equal to 0 into here we get c1 cos 0, c2 sin 0 and second at it is. Now becomes c1 equal to 0. Now from 2 here putting the value of c1 and so we get c2 sin lambda x, c3 cos c lambda, c4 c lambda t. This is equation number 3. Now next apply the boundary conditions del u del t at t equal to 0. So first required find out the del u del t. Now partial differentiating 3 with respect to t, keeping x as constants. So partially differentiating, so with respect to first here sine x function of x, so is behavior constant. Inside differentiating cos minus sine, so minus sine c3 c lambda sin c lambda t and second term c4 c lambda cos c lambda t. So del u del t, putting t equal to 0 in 4, so we get this c2 at it is inside sin 0 and here cos 0. So becomes sin c4 equal to 0 and c2 equal to 0, sin lambda x equal to 0. Now equation 3 becomes putting c4 equal to 0 here, so we get c2 c3 and sin lambda cos c lambda t. Is equation number 5. Again apply the boundary condition u8 equal to 0 in above. So putting 0 c2 c3 sin lambda cos c lambda t, since c2 not equal to 0, c3 not equal to 0 and cos c lambda t is also not equal to 0. If any one is considered 0, so uxt becomes 0. So solution does not exist. So sin lambda a equal to 0, sin lambda equal to 0, sin n pi, lambda is equal to n pi upon a. So from 5, this is 5 becomes c2 c3 or sin n pi x upon a cos c n pi a into t, unxt bn sin n pi x upon a, here c2 c3 equal to bn and cos n c n pi a t. So uxt is equal to summation of 1 to infinity unxt. Now uxt equal to bn sin n pi x upon a cos c n pi t upon a, ux0 equal to bn sin n pi x upon a. This is equation number 7 and which is equation number 6. So question 7 here, this is the Fourier half range sine series where bn equal to 2 upon a 0 to a f of x sin n pi x upon a dx. This is question number 8 where f of x equal to ux0 equal to x square. So now bn is equal to put the value of fx 2 upon a 0 to x square sin n pi x upon a dx. This is equation number 9. We know that is the Leibniz theorem, u into v dx, u v1 u dash v2 u double dash v3. v1 means integration of v, v2 integration of v1 u dash differentiation of u double dash differentiation of u dash and so on. So now bn, apply the formula. Now from 9 we get 9 is here, 2 upon a first function u, derivative of integration of second sin minus cos, so minus cos n pi x upon a and n pi upon a. say into u dash here x square, that is just 2x, and next v2 is integration of v1. तो cos nx, cos differentiation of cos, तो sin n pi x upon a and divided by n pi upon a, here n pi upon a before present, so we get the n square pi square upon a. Next integration of differentiation of this, so plus 2s integration is 2, again integration of v2, and that is here v1, which is v2, and we get which is v3. So we get this cos n pi x upon a n q pi q a q. Apply the upper and lower limits. Now we get here a square a cos n pi to a q n square pi square sin n pi to a q n q pi q cos n pi, and minus lower limit 0 into 0 is 0, which is 0, only we get this 2aq nq pi q, 2aq nq pi q, and cos 0. Simplify cos n pi is a minus 1 raised to n, and here 2aq nq sin n pi is 0, second term 0, only write 2aq nq pi q minus 1 raised to n, minus 1 raised to n cos n pi, and that term minus, here minus, so we get this. So final we get Pn is equal to 2 upon a in this. This equation number 1. Putting the value of Bn in 6, now we get equation 6 is here, ux equal to Bn sin n pi x upon a cos c n pi t upon a. This is equation number 11. Putting the value of Bn in equation number 11, we get required solution. Thank you.